Okay, that was Mom snoring. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, Monday night, and I just want everybody to know what a bad snorer she is. Good night.